Hi, today we'll be looking at how to find the equation of a line given its slope and y-intercept. So here's today's FLT. Given the slope and y-intercept of a line, I will be able to write the equation of the line. So earlier we've looked at what the slope is and also what the y-intercept is. Today we're combining those ideas to create the equation of a line. First things first, what do lines written in slope-intercept form look like? So lines written in slope-intercept form are written as y equals mx plus b. So this is the equation of the line, where technically mx is m times x. M is our slope, so it tells you how slanted the line is. And then b is the y value of your y-intercept. So our y-intercept, 0, b, is the point where the line intersects with the y-axis. So today we're focusing on this question. What if we're given the slope and the y-intercept of a line? How do we write the equation of the line from here? So today we'll be finding the equation of a line given the slope and y-intercept. So for our first example, let's find the equation of the line that has a slope of 2 and its y-intercept at 0, 3. So this line has a slope of 2 and its y-intercept is at the point 0, 3. So the slope is 2, so I know that m equals 2. And since the y-intercept is at 0, 3, focusing on the y value, I know that b equals 3. And the equation of a line in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So we're just going to replace m and b with the values we just found based on the description. So since m equals 2 and b equals 3, we have y equals 2x plus 3. So the equation of our line here is simply y equals 2x plus 3. And what would this look like on a graph? I quickly graphed it on Desmos and it looks something like this. Next, let's find the equation of the line that has a slope of 1/2 and its y-intercept at 0, -6. So first, let's label m and b based on this description. Our slope is 1/2, which means m equals 1/2. And our y-intercept is at 0, -6, so our b value is -6. The line in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and I'm simply replacing m and b. So my answer would be y equals 1/2 x minus 6, or 1/2 x plus -6. I wrote it like this because it looks a lot simpler. And here's the graph on Desmos, so you can see what the line looks like. On Edpuzzle, find the equation of the line that has a slope of -3/4 and its y-intercept at 0, 5. Next, let's just take a quick look at graphing lines in slope-intercept form. Don't worry if you don't have graph paper on you. Just do your best to draw similar sketches to the graphs I provide. So for our first example here, we are asked to graph the line y equals 1/2 x plus 4. So we're going to graph this by first identifying the line's slope and y-intercept. So what are the m and b values here? Since y equals mx plus b, I notice m is replaced by 1/2, so my slope m equals 1/2. So I rise 1 and then run +2. And then the 4, the +4 or +4, is my b value. So b equals +4. So my y-intercept is at the point 0, 4. On the graph, I find the y-intercept 0, 4. And from here, I'm going to rise 1 and move over 2 and put a point right there and connect the dots. So I have this line right here where my y-intercept is at 0, 4 and my slope is 1/2. Let's do one more example together. Let's graph the line y equals -2x minus 3. So first, we're going to identify the slope and y-intercept. What are m and b? Our slope is -2, this value right here. So m equals -2, and to make it into rise over run format, I'll write -2/1. And then my b value is at -3, so b equals -3. My y-intercept is at 0, -3. Notice you can rewrite this as y equals -2x plus -3 if that helps you find the b value. Otherwise, ignore what I just wrote. So let me plot the y-intercept, 0, -3. That's right here. And then I'm going to go rise -2. So go down 2 and right 1. Here's a new point. And I'm just going to connect these points to graph the line. This is the graph of the line y equals -2x minus 3. On Edpuzzle, please choose the correct graph for y equals -1/2 x plus 3. Notice here we're going to have a negative slope. So today we saw that the equation of a line written in standard form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and 0, b is the coordinate for our y-intercept. Please remember to submit your notes on Canvas, and see you guys next time.